What is liar in your country?
Oh, ini.
What?
Oh.
Ini. Ane.
What is liar? Apa?
Muset.
等一下，我不知道你们讲什么。我问我的朋友现在一下好不好？
Hmm? Hindi mo maintindihan kung sasabihin ko, ang ganda mo para kang ano, bulaklak ng sampagita. Hmm.
对，你知道啊，我讲什么跟你们好不好？
有
我们讲话，OK？
O at least wala akong sinabing negative. Maganda, you.
You maganta. Oh, ay maganta is baju.
Badu, this is Badu. Ah!
Ay!
This is Badu. This is Badu. Dress.
This is dress, okay?
Yes. What do you call in dress in your country?
Baju.
Baju. In Ilocano, Badu.
Badu.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is ulo.
Ulo. Di sini ulo begini ulo.
Oh,
Ulo.
yes. This is bagi. This is katawan. Bagi in Ilocano. Bagi.
Indian
bagi.
baju. Oh.
Bagi also. Bagi in your country. Bagi.
No. Body.
Badi. Pasneya. Bagi. Haha.
Mayroon guys matursun perkasalan.
Snake. Ulo. Snake.
Ulo di sini snack. Ulo.
Pasneya ka nga ni. Sabi mo. Someone say here in my comment, snake, according to him, ulo in your country is snake.
Yes.
Snake.
Snack. Snake.
Snake. You the one commenting here is wrong spelling. Snake. Snacking nga ni. Okay. Tell me more. What is this in your country?
Chikong.
Chikong, it's ngipin in how
In
about this?
Philippines? About is Philippines?
This one ngipin.
Nipin.
Yes.
Oh.
How about this
In
one?
Indonesia, jigong.
This is ilong digong. Ay, digong. What is this in your country?
Ini. Ini idung.
This is ilong.
Ya, idung.
This is ilong in our country.
Oh, Sam.
Philippines.
Idung. You.
Ilong.
you
This
say
one.
idung.
This one.
Ini. Domble.
Domble? Good. Okay, one more. I like our conversation because according to my followers,
Ya, okay.
Philippines and Indonesian sometimes have same words.
Okay. I won't study your Philippine. You study Indonesia.
Okay.
Language.
How about this one?
This one. Ket.
Kili-kili.
Kili. Sam. Ketek kili.
Oh, perfect. This one.
Kili.
This one. Suso. Dede.
Sam susu tete. Sam.
No, that's not tete. Wait. Wait.
I'm boy. Hey, you understand? I'm boy, no tete.
No. It's not tete in us. Tete, different. This is tete, or we call it titi. Say titi.
Titit in.
No. It's not titi. Ay! No, it's not titi.
You have titit. I not have titit. You have titit.
No. This
Yeah, your titit. Yeah, titit. You titit tangi.
one.
Yeah,
Titi.
titit tangi. Titit tangi. Your titit.
No, it's not titit. It's titi.
Titi.
Buto.
Oh. Ah,
Buto.
buto.
Oo.
In Indonesia, titit.
Ah, titit. Ah, is there any boy there? Boy.
Yeah.
Call him.
Why call him in Biset?
Oh my gosh! What the heck? Sabi niya. Okay. Another word in your country.
Okay, another word, your country.
Yes. In Indonesia, what?
Another country in Indonesia, what?
No. I mean another word. Can you give me show me a thing?
Okay. In Indonesia, gedang. In your Philippines,
Saging
saging.
o saba.
Taba.
Yes.
Gedang.
Gadang. Wait lang. Gadang? Parang same.
Pangsim.
No, it seems like gadang. Gadang, saba?
Gedang is titit. Gedang is titit, Sam.
What? Gadang is titit?
Sam.
Tem?
Sam.
Like?
Titit.
Ah?
Yeah, Sam.
I don't have gadang.
You have gedang?
As of now, I don't have gadang. How about this? What do you call in Malaysia? This one, banana. What is
Banana.
this? In
Oh.
Indonesia?
Ndok. Ndok.
Indok.
Ndok in Sam it gedang. Gedang Sam Biset is ndok.
I don't have gadang. But I have 2 eggs.
Yeah.
The left and the right. Yeah. Ay, baka mawano tayo dito. Oh. Okay. Yes, that is 2 eggs. Buyong na lods.
Yeah.
Ha?
Biset is titit have ndok.
Titit. Yeah. Anyway, the letter T is missing. The last letter T is missing in us. It's TT. No.
Yeah. Titi. No titit. Yes, I understand.
Yeah.
I'm forget.
Okay. What else? How about chair? What is chair in your country? Like this one. Sofa. What is chair?
Chair di sini kursi.
Oh, come again?
Kursi.
Kursi?
Yeah.
Okay, next time
Next
again.
time, see you. Thank you.
Salamat.
Yes. Nice to meet you. Bye. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Bye.